Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing the best meal to clear out your arteries and boost your heart health. Let's dive in. For this heart-healthy meal we'll need wild-caught salmon, fresh leafy greens, a handful of nuts, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, and a lemon. Start by seasoning your salmon with a bit of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and plaque buildup in your arteries. Now let's cook the salmon. Place it in a pan with just a drizzle of olive oil and set it over medium heat. Cook it until it's perfectly flaky and just right. Let's talk about olive oil. This wonderful ingredient contains healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol, making it not only delicious, but also beneficial for your health. Next, it's time to prepare a refreshing salad. Use leafy greens like spinach or kale to create a nutritious and vibrant base. These greens are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support heart health. Add a handful of nuts for a crunchy texture and extra heart-healthy fats. Toss with a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, and minced garlic. Garlic helps to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Now plate your salmon alongside the fresh salad. This meal is not only delicious but also fantastic for keeping your arteries clear and your heart healthy. Enjoy this nutritious meal and take a step towards better heart health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.